Hello everyone, this is Shreya. Now I am going to explain conditional probability. Probability of A given that B already happened. Here they are saying that B already happened, and if so, then what is the probability of A? This formula becomes more clear with the help of Venn diagram. So there is a sample space, and inside the sample space there are events, event A and event B. Since they are saying that what is the probability of A given that B already happened, so here our sample space got restricted. For this event our sample space is not S. Our sample space is this part, entire B. Because they are saying that B already happened, then what is the probability of A? So for this the sample space is this shaded part, entire B. Now what is the probability of A given that B already happened? Inside this entire area, what is the probability that A is happening? This part is the A part. In this part A is happening. So this part is where A is happening given that B already happened, and this part is nothing but what? A intersection B. That's why here we are writing probability of A given that B already happened equals to probability of A intersection B upon probability of B. Because probability of B we are written here because here the sample space is B. Now we can write it like this as we seen earlier in the previous video. You can check it out, link is in description, and if you do so, then number of outcomes in the A intersection B event upon number of outcomes, entire outcomes, that is size of sample space, and for probability of B, number of outcomes for event B upon number of entire outcomes, that is size of sample space. And this one got cancelled out and we got this. Now probability of E dash given that F has already happened. Here E dash means that complement of event E. So we can say it like probability of event E not happening given that F is already happened. So for this we use the Venn diagram, then it becomes more clear to you. There is sample space and inside this there is event F and event E. Now since they are saying that event F already happened, so our sample space got restricted, that is for this event our sample space is this part, entire F part, that is shaded one. Now they are saying that probability that event E not happening given that F is already happened. So probability of event E happening given that F is already happened is this one. So probability that E is not happening given that F already happened become this part. This entire part is what we wanted. That is red part, red lined part. So we know that probability of F equal to 1 because F is here sample space and sample space probability is always 1. If you don't know these basic things, then make sure you watch the previous video. And so we can write like this: probability of F is probability of E not happening given that F already happened. This means this part, and probability of E happening given that F is already happened means this part. And when we union this part and this entire part, then we got entire F part. That's why we are writing like this. Plus means basically union, and here we already know probability of F equal to 1, so here we substituted it and we got this one. Means probability of event E not happening given that F already happened equals to 1 minus probability of E happening given that F already happened. This formula is very important and we can easily understand this with the help of Venn diagram. Now probability of A union B given that F is already happened. For this the formula is this one. Let's understand this with the help of Venn diagram. there is sample space S, and inside this there is an event F, and there is event A and event B. Now they are saying that probability of A union B, given that F is already happened. For this we can understand this like this entire part is F, and they are saying that what is the probability of this entire part, that is A union B, given that F already happened. For this we need to consider this part, that is part 1, part 2 and part 3. This is what we wanted, means part 1 and part 2 and part 3 is the probability of A union B, given that F is already happened. Now this is the formula. Now what is the probability of A given that F is already happened? This is entire A part and this is the F part. Now what is the probability of A given that F is already happened is this 1 and part 2. And similarly probability of B given that F is already happened is part 2 and part 3. Now probability of A intersection B means this part, given that F is already happened, is 2. Let's substitute this one, then we got this, and after doing this we got this one. That is what we wanted. So thank you for watching this video, and if you find this video useful, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Stay connected with me. Thank you all.